Okay, now you seen me unbox it, you seen me give one away. Now it's my turn. My turn to try the Product Junkie Naturals Pumpkin and Caramel Deep Conditioner. I just wanna be free, finally, finally. I wanna be free, finally, finally. I wanna be free, finally, finally. Welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and yes, it's my turn. I'm about to try this for myself. Let's see what this pumpkin caramel deep conditioner from Product Junkie Naturals is talking about. Look at it though. Does this not remind you of frosting? I mean, if you like cake, like I like cake, and you see some frosting looking like this, don't it look like it's good enough to eat? As I can tell from this texture, it is nice and creamy. No lumps, no bumps, just straight creamy consistency. Nice and smooth. I can feel the moisture and I can feel the oils that are in it. So, I wonder what this is going to do to my hair. Well, according to this, it says that this is one sweet hair treat. Pumpkin helps to strengthen and fortify strands naturally, while caramel softens, adds shine, and smooths cuticles to minimize frizz. That sounds good to me. So, what it also says here is the directions. There's a section here. Into fours, apply deep conditioner to wet hair and distribute evenly. Cover hair with a plastic cap for up to 20 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Okay, so I think it's time I get into this. So before I begin applying this to my hair, if you haven't already done so, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and make sure you turn your notifications on for all notifications. That way you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So as you can see, I've already begun to apply this deep conditioner to my hair, and my hair was not soaking wet. It was still a little damp. It was already shriveling up, drying all up from me washing my hair. So I'm just watching to see what this does for my strands, and what I can see so far, it is beginning to soak in, loosen up my hair, and define my curl pattern, if you see what I'm looking at. The other thing I noticed is this does have plenty of slip, at least for me. The reason why I say that is, yeah, you saw that. That was some of those hairs that I needed to get on out of there, and it's now out of there. I also like the consistency of this product. It actually reminds me of butter. You know, like a tub of butter or margarine. I mean, if you've ever greased a pan, I mean, for muffins, cookies, cakes, you know what I'm talking about. That's the texture. That's how it feels in my hands while I'm doing this twist. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, and I'll get back to y'all towards the end. I can see you looking at me. Yeah, my eyes are open wide. So you want me to set you free? Take a walk with me outside. Tell me everything about you. Yeah, 'cause I really wanna know. You can ride with me forever. Yeah, anywhere you wanna go. Night is over the park and a few bright stars. I give you the moon and my all is yours. Don't hesitate, just give me your all. Just give me your all. So let's fly into a dream I won't deny. I'll show when love is go for gold.
give me your all. So let's fly into a dream I won't deny.
Okay, now let's see what that pumpkin and caramel deep conditioner do. My hair is soft. Yes. Oh, if you guys can just feel my hair right now. I mean, look at it. Mm-hmm. You know I'm happy by the look on my face. Let's check this. Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. Curls popping, hair shining. So far, so good. Let's see what it looks like once it is all washed out. Okay, so I know I'm supposed to be washing it out, but I can't keep my fingers out of my hair. My hair feels really, really good. Super moisturized, hydrated, and soft. Very, very soft. I'm just, I can't help but admire it. Okay, let me stop. Let me stop. Let's go wash this out. Let's go wash it out.
So in love, let's go for gold. Yeah, yeah. Let's go for gold.
Are we even surprised anymore? I mean, this is what Product Junkie Naturals does. Look at my hair. Look at the definition. The shine. It's soft, super duper light scent of pumpkin spice. And now I'm ready to style. So let me know. Have you tried this yet? Have you tried the pumpkin and caramel deep conditioner from Product Junkie Naturals? Did you shop during her recent sale? If there's any products left, I will go ahead and buy up all you can, because the shop will be closing for a bit before another sale comes around. So if this is still left, I will go snatch it up right now. Anyway, I'm satisfied. Make sure if you haven't already subscribed, do so. You've hit the notification bell. And I'll talk to you later, roses. Bye.